fam. So we are here again. We're here today, as you see in the description and the b-roll as well. So we're by Catherine's Estate on Dumbleown Road, St. Catherine. So there are two reasons we're here. So applications are opening June 4th and 5th. That's Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. So definitely get ready, because you know these homes are well sought after. So application is 4th and 5th of June, this coming Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's one. And then secondly, there's been a few reports in terms of persons in the community getting robbed, their house break-ins, that sort of stuff. So really here with another video, because we've done quite a few videos on this development. So we're just here to highlight the fact that applications are going to be open, so all the interested persons can apply, and also just to fly the drone just to see what the perimeter of this property is like, and just to get an aerial shot of you know the developments and the update for Catherine's Estate. So it's gonna be 43 duplex studio that's going up for grabs, and 5 one-bedroom units. I wonder who's gonna be those lucky 5 persons, right? It's across from the Caramid Mega Warehouse. That's something I covered as well on this channel. What I'll do, I'll put the link for one of the very first video I did on Catherine's Estate. I'll also put the link for a video I did for the development of the Caramid Warehouse that's in front. I'm gonna drive a little bit through Catherine's Estate as well. It's not gated, it's not fenced, and those are some of the problems residents are complaining about. But the developers are saying that even before persons bought, they knew that it wasn't gated. It's not coming with any front fencing, any perimeter fence. So that is the challenge. But I personally think that one, either the developer build a proper perimeter fencing, or if the residents want to come together, everybody pays some amount and build a fence. I think that's needed. And even from in the beginning, if the developer wanted to make a perimeter fence and then add that to the cost of the property, that's an option. But the fact that it's just open, I really don't like that. It's just open to everybody. You can drive in, taxi can drive in, and we're gonna drive in. So Catherine's Estate, that's what we're looking at today. This is like an update video, because we've covered this more than once. So I'm gonna drive around for you guys, fly around for you guys. And again, applications are opening this week, June 4th and 5th. So definitely apply if you're interested. These are very much in high demand, because they really don't get cheaper than this. I think they started out at 6 million probably for the first phase. I think they're going into probably phase 3 or 4 now, and then it went to like 6.5. the last price was 7.5. so let's see what's the price for these coming out now. But it doesn't get cheaper than this, because any new unit, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom that are being built, they're way over 25 million. Yes, those will come with pool, gated, gym, running and everything. Catherine's Estate don't come with all those fancy stuff. I guess that's why the price is much lower. We know everybody still cannot afford it, but it's much more affordable for some Jamaicans, you know, that between that 7.5 range going to 10 million. So stay tuned, wait for the drive around just to look at a few of the properties. Some are already occupied, some are built, not yet occupied, and some are still under construction. Remember to like, comment and share, and don't miss the dates if you're interested. So we have the Grace Warehouse down that side, and then this Caramid Group Warehouse is pretty new, something I covered on the channel as well. It's right across the road. Then we have the Catherine's Estate units over this side. We know they're starter home. We know they're being built for expansion. So this is what it's looking like from the roadway. We have a prison down that side, Tamarind Farm. And then Spanish Town bypass is down that side as well. Alright guys, we're gonna take a quick drive around the community of Catherine's estate before we send up the drone and show a full drone coverage. So they still have ongoing construction. They're still doing excavation, which you'll see for the drone shots, so definitely stay for the drone shots. A few persons have grilled up their property. Some people have on camera, lights here and there. A few houses have started expansion. But when it comes to demand, guys, these properties are in high demand because nowhere in Jamaica you can get property at these prices. Right, nowhere in Jamaica. It's a bit overcast, so the video will be a bit darker. So, you know, it's advertised as starter homes. Some come as duplex where you share the house half and half. Some come as studio and some come as one bedroom. Right? So in terms of prices, nowhere in Kingston I can get property with prices like this. The last price was 7.5, which is what NHT will lend a single person. 7.5. And I would say a few of them fenced. So I guess you're allowed to, probably nothing too extravagant, but you're allowed to fence your property as well. Alright, so with 7.5 from NHT, persons are able to buy one of these and then expand it. But you know what, as I said, a part of the reason for this video is the reported break-ins and robberies. And I honestly think they should have, and they could have fenced the community. Yes, it probably would have sent up prices a little bit more. That's understandable. But they could have made it into a gated community. Put on a perimeter fencing, because a lot of communities like to have one way in, one way out, so you can have access control. But right here, we don't have any access control, because you have so many places to go in and out. Everywhere is an entrance, everywhere is an exit. But again, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. So again, hope they can do something to help with the perimeter fence, so that, you know, we can have less break-in, less robberies, right? And persons can enjoy their homes. So I hope that gets solved ASAP. That's one side of the story. And then secondly, there's gonna be on June 4th and 5th, there's gonna be applications opening up for 5 one-bedroom and I think 46 studio duplex. So you guys can definitely apply. So this video may be a little bit longer than my usual short video, but I just wanted to give you guys some context. The highway is right beside as well. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Share your suggestions, share your thoughts. Yes, I think every house should have cameras as well. If I don't catch someone, probably you as my neighbor can catch someone. So every house should have cameras as well. That's what I believe. I think it's a community effort. So until fence can be up, I think persons can invest in cameras. They're not very expensive, to be honest. Just as though I believe that every car should have a dash cam, because, you know, something can just get caught that is critical. So those are some of my thoughts. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And as I said, quite a few persons have already started their expansion. So yeah, share your thoughts. And definitely stay tuned for the drone shot, guys. We're gonna set up the drone and get some aerial views. So down that side, most of those are unoccupied. Alright, so you guys are getting a lot of things from this one video. So it's a driving video, it's a drone video, it's a vlog type video. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what Catherine's estate is like today. I know I've came here when they just broke ground. I've came here when they're just selling out the first phase before anyone lived over here. And we're here again today. So it's just a quick glimpse for you guys. And as I mentioned, right after this, we send up the drone, get some more drone shots for you guys as well. Highway is directly in front of us, Highway 2000. But you know, I think it's a very good investment, especially the 1-bedroom units. That allows you to do a complete remodel of your property. Or even look at this one in front of us. This is a nice expansion. You know, you can get 4 or 5 bedroom probably. And the land space is not bad. When it's actually fenced around, you see the real land space. Especially if you get probably a corner lot. So share your thoughts, guys. Catherine's estate, nothing cheaper right now. Alright guys, let's jump into some drone shots.